Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn twice I Can't Stop Me, the teaser part. Today we have 4 8 counts and we're going to break into 4 different sections. And after I teach 1 8 count, I'm going to break it down and then we're going to review and then we're going to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 section. Okay, now let's get started. So the first 8 count starting with the jump, with the hit on the chest. So it's 1, okay, on 2, you're going to cross your leg, your hand is going to go shoop, like this, so 2. And then on 3, you're going to step out your left, 3, and then you go shoop, shoop, 3. On 4, you're going to go hit, on 4. Your left hand is going to go all the way extend, and then your left hand and you are looking toward the right. Like this. On 4 and we go 5 and 6 and so we go hip go 5 and 6 and on 7 8. That's the first 8 count. We're going to repeat one more time. 6 7 8 on 1 2 3 and 4 5 and 6 7, 8. From here, the second 8 count, we're going to go from 1, 2, and then your hand is going to go 3 and 4. But your leg is going to go 3 and 4. Now we're going to go cross over 5, 6, 7, and 8. Help yourself. Okay, we're gonna repeat that one more time. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, starting the third 8 count, we're going to go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So we have 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to put your hips up and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. On 5, you're going to put your left hands out like a mirror. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, we're gonna start this 8 count one more time. 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now we're starting here for the fourth 8 counts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And okay, we're gonna start that one more time from here. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have learned everything with the counts. We're going to start over from the top until the end. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial of Twice I Can't Stop Me. And the full cover will come out soon, so stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe me, hit a like, comment below. Thank you, bye-bye, till next time.
Just fast, fast, fast,